All right, I apologize for this. I'm new. I don't know how this stuff works, and I'm not going to edit this out. So I'm going to show you a short clip from Next News Network, um, and then I'm going to show you something that I've been passing out for years. But this is an interview with Dr. Rashid Buttar, highly uh, knowledgeable on COVID and other things. It's 48 minutes long. I will put the link in the description um, of both his website and to Next News Network here. But listen to this.
We have another exclusive interview for you today, one that you will need to share to the four corners of the earth, because we're going to be asking questions and bringing you information that the mainstream media is absolutely ignoring. An emergency doctor blasting Bill Gates, the fake pandemic numbers, now in question as the economy collapses. Rashid Buttar, he graduated from Washington University with a double major in biology and theology before attending medical school at the University of Osteopathic Medicine and Health Sciences College of Medicine and Surgery. He trained in general surgery and emergency medicine and served as brigade surgeon and director of emergency medicine while serving in the U.S. Army. He is a board-certified clinical mental toxicology and preventative medicine. He is board-eligible in emergency medicine and has achieved fellowship status in 3 separate medical societies. Today, he serves as the medical director for the Centers for Advanced Medicine with clinics in California and North Carolina. These clinics specialize in the needs of patients with immune dysfunctions and toxicity issues, usually manifesting in various conditions such as cancer, heart disease, and autism. And for over 20 years, he has been ranked as one of the top 50 doctors in the United States. His first book, The 9 Steps to Keep the Doctor Away, became a Wall Street Journal, USA Today, and Amazon bestseller, and is now an international best-selling book translated into multiple languages. Now this week, a video he made called out the fraud that is being perpetuated across the world by the World Health Organization, the CDC, Bill Gates, the deep state, the mainstream media. It went viral with millions of views worldwide. Doctor, welcome to the program.
Now you will. I'm not sure if we're going to get to that or not at this point or not, but a lot of his videos are being deleted off YouTube. But you can get them at the links below. Then, this is. I'm only going to play part of this, so because I want to get to the point of the email that I'm sending out.
Thank you, Gary. Appreciate it. Now, 3 weeks ago, you called this a conspiracy. You called out the hysteria being perpetuated to scare the world population based on false data. Now, it was Jerome Adams this week, the Surgeon General, and the Trump administration who agreed with you when they announced that they had dropped the World Health Organization and the CDC model and are now working with real numbers. Okay, this is directly from the White House. This is the Office of the Press Secretary. Now, Tuesday, the White House putting out this press release demanding accountability from the World Health Organization and committed to investigating the response, the false claims, and the cover-up. So explain to our viewers what led you to this discovery and how the numbers never supported their claims.
Well, Gary, basically, I have patients from all over the world, and patients were concerned about this, and they asked, and I put out in social media that, look, if you really want to know, I'll make a video about this, and I expected some people to respond. I had, 700-800 responses, just yes, please get us the information. So I asked the question, because you're hearing stuff about conspiracy, so those videos that we put out were actually asking the question, COVID-19 conspiracy question mark, and as I started looking at it, to me, it just didn't make any sense anymore. We deal with the hardest to deal with medical conditions anyway, so it wasn't a big deal. I just remember that when I heard about the coronavirus aspect, there was one particular component that we used intravenously a lot in our clinic, and I just made sure we had 10 times the normal amount, and that was it. It wasn't a big deal. It didn't bother me. However, as I started looking at this information, and as I started seeing that this is actually a chimeric version, something that was developed here in the United States in 2015, was published in Nature magazine, that it was developed in the University of North Carolina.
All right, I'm going to stop it there. You can finish watching this. But it was developed here 2014, 2015, defunded, and then the research was sent to China. And we funded it. Okay? He explains all that. He also gets into the chipping, the invisible ink in vaccines, and the depopulation. Okay, that is my point. This is where I want to get to. Now, you can see this yourself. We're going to follow me here. The website, deagel.com. Now, you can't make this shit up. This is Friday, April 17th, 2020. Now, I've been saying this for years. I've been showing this. I've been preaching this to people. Home page. Guide to military equipment and civil aviation. Seems harmless enough, right? Okay. So, you want to know anything about military equipment? Boom, it's in here. Okay. Latest. April 16th, Russian Army tanks take delivery of the first 2S-7M. Okay. Harmless enough, right? So, what do you want to know? Well, let's see. Let's go to the bottom. Combat aircrafts. Okay. Simple enough. Now I'm going to keep this short. Alright. Boom. There you go. Worldwide combat aircraft holdings. These are all the different planes. You know. What else do you want to know? Auxiliary vessels, ships, tactical, anything and everything you want to know about military equipment, defense weapons, everything. Now, here's where we get the good part. Other information. Go to the countries. Bottom right-hand corner. deagel.com. Go to the bottom right-hand corner to countries. There are 209 countries listed below. View year 2025 forecast. Huh. Well, let's just go to that. Okay. China. Look at this. Country, China. I'll have to take that cursor off. Population. Well, that's interesting. Let's just click that on. Here we go. Currency. The year 2017. Population is 1.4 billion people. Alright. World figures. World population, 7.4 billion people. Skip down here where you see forecast 2025. Population, 1.4 billion. Down. Decreased by 1.4 billion people. They're predicting China to be pretty much wiped out because their military budget is going up. Meanwhile, let's go back. It's going to be easier just to do this. Let's go to the United States. Population. That ain't going to work. Population. 2017. 327 million people. 7.1 billion world figures. population in 2015 down 100 million people. World population in 2015 6.9 billion people. Gross domestic product down 2.4 trillion. Military budget down $32 billion. I don't make this shit up, people. And here it is. Look here in the left, upper left. Government links and sources. Boom. This is where they're getting it. This is where they're getting all their information from. And down here. So, what's going on, people? I like to hear from somebody. I want to hear what's going on. Because here, if you page down from here, these are the no, let's just read this. Chart includes 2,611 orders with the United States of America as importers and 392 and 1,706 as exporters, with the remaining 513 being national production orders. I think this is production orders of military equipment. So we've been down, pretty much going down since 2007. Little high, little spikes here and there. News. These are the holdings. These are our equipment. 38 Reapers. Your gunships. Training turboprop aircrafts. That's just your aerospace. Then you got your military ships. Your land vehicles. Your MVAPs. Everything's in there. Hercules, all your weapons, Black Sparrows, unknown. Here's, they don't want to release this information for whatever reason. But anyways, there it is. Comment, like, comment. I mean, give me your comments. I want to know what's going on. I've been saying this for years. This has been going on. I have 2 more resources from people who have been high up in the military ranks and down in D.C. I come around to our county Republican committee meetings and have talked, and I wrote some of the information down. One of the websites is everything happening, the truth of what's happening, and the news media of what's happening overseas. I mean, this is what the news media will not report on. But there it is. Like, subscribe. I'm not putting a lot of videos out. It's just, this is something that's been on my mind. I basically do body work, and I want to get that channel up and rolling. But this is something I think really, really needs to get out. So I appreciate everybody watching this. Spread this. Spread this out. It really needs to get out, and we need to start questioning those who are accountable to us. And as soon as things break here, I'm going to take these to our local representatives, senators, and congressmen, and see if I can get some real true answers, because this makes no sense. I mean, right there it is. 2017, population 327 million. Forecast 2025, 5 years from now, population down 100 million. You can't make this up. Down, world population 6.9 billion in 2025. Down 7.4 from 7.4 billion. Comment, like, subscribe. I appreciate it, but most of all, get this passed out. Thank you.